Hello and welcome riders. For model year 23, Polaris launched the all-new ProStar S4 engine, a silky smooth and incredibly efficient 4-stroke motor. Its proven reliability makes service and ownership easy, and great fuel economy means greater range for getting out there and pushing your limits. Riders know that using the right oil for your sled is critical to making sure it continues to run reliably and at peak performance. Today, I'm excited to talk to you about our newest high-performance extreme synthetic 4-stroke oil, PS-4 Extreme 0W50. This is the ultimate full synthetic 4-cycle formulation for this new engine. In developing this new lubricant product, we had a couple of challenges to overcome. First, we had to make it the ultimate cold weather product for 4-stroke snowmobiles and off-road vehicles in the harshest cold conditions, while also making it one of the best high temperature products we have. After years of development and thousands of hours of testing, we accomplished our goal. PS-4 Extreme 0W50 has the widest viscosity range, allowing it to protect from -45 to over 130 degrees. So whether you need your snowmobile or Ranger to start on the coldest day of winter for plowing the driveway, or you need your RZR to plow through the dunes on a scorching summer day, synthetic PS-4 Extreme 0W50 is the best product for the job. We formulated this oil with premium full synthetic base stocks and the latest in additive technology to provide the best and longest lasting wear protection and least carbon buildup compared to all other previous formulations and aftermarket products we tested. This is the only oil we recommend for 4-stroke snowmobile use and is the best ORV product for extreme hot or cold temperature conditions, as well as high load and racing applications. PS-4 Extreme 0W50 is part of our Extreme Synthetics line and is our ultimate performance full synthetic 4-stroke oil. For additional information on it and all other Polaris lubricants, visit polaris.com. Thanks.